The tool that AI uses to build software is being broken by AI, and the company behind it quietly admitted they never saw it coming. If you've never heard of GitHub, here's the short version. It's where code lives. Every major app, website, and piece of software you use was almost certainly built using it. Think of it as Google Docs, but for software developers, a place where you save your work, collaborate with teammates, and ship things out into the world. It is, without exaggeration, one of the most important pieces of digital infrastructure on the planet, which is exactly why what's been happening to it over the last few months is such a big deal. Over the past year, GitHub has experienced 257 total incidents, including 48 major outages, with over 112 hours of total downtime. That's not a rough patch. That's a platform in genuine distress. One of the worst moments came on April 23rd, when a bug silently deleted code across 2,092 pull requests in 658 different repositories, and the interface just showed a green checkmark the whole time, as if everything was fine. Developers went to check their work and it was just gone, with a cheerful green indicator telling them nothing was wrong. And the reason all of this is happening is AI. GitHub's own CTO, Vlad Fedorov, admitted in a blog post that GitHub was not ready for the surge in traffic caused by AI coding tools. His team started planning for a 10x increase in capacity back in October 2025. By February 2026, they realized the actual need was closer to 30x, not 10. Here's why it's so much worse than it sounds. AI coding agents don't just help you write code anymore. They manage entire development workflows, creating branches, committing changes, opening pull requests, running tests, iterating based on feedback. And almost all of that flows through GitHub. So when you have millions of AI agents all hammering away at GitHub simultaneously, around the clock, without the natural breaks a human developer takes, the load is completely different from anything the platform was built to handle. Third-party trackers clocked GitHub's reliability last month at around 86%, which, if you're used to enterprise software standards, is genuinely shocking. Critical infrastructure is supposed to be well above 99%. 86% means GitHub was broken or degraded, roughly 1 out of every 7 moments someone tried to use it. The situation got bad enough that even OpenAI, one of the biggest producers of AI coding activity, reportedly began exploring alternatives to GitHub after the outages repeatedly disrupted their own engineering work. When the company building the AI that's breaking your platform starts shopping around, that's a meaningful signal. Here's my honest take. This story is not really about GitHub. It's a preview. We've spent years talking about AI in the abstract, what it might do eventually, what jobs it might change someday. But what's happening at GitHub right now is a concrete, measurable consequence of AI operating at scale in the real world. The volume of code being generated and pushed through AI agents grew so fast that a platform owned by Microsoft, one of the most well-resourced technology companies in history, couldn't keep up. And if that can happen to GitHub, it can happen to anything. Email servers, cloud storage, financial systems, any infrastructure that was designed around the pace and volume of human activity is going to face some version of this reckoning as AI agents start doing that same work at machine speed. The companies that will come out ahead are the ones that start designing for 30x, even when 10x seems like more than enough. The ones that wait until the data proves they need to scale will be the ones with the green checkmarks while the code disappears. If you want to stay ahead of AI without the noise, subscribe. I post every week.